Okay, sometimes we need to generate something like this. For example, I want to generate, for example, U star or A star. Or for example, I want to generate A double star. Or suppose that I want to generate limit of f of x goes to 0 is equal to, for example, 1, and I want to write, for example, Hospital theorem here and something like this. Or suppose that you want to generate something like this, for example, z star or z double star here. Or for example, you want to generate x something like this, and any of these kind of formula and notations. All of these can be generated by 3 very simple commands. Suppose that you want to generate, for example, a U and a star over it. Okay, you can use a command like overset. It has 2 parts. The first part is something you want to appear above the, for example, U. Let me suppose that it star. Star can be generated by \ast and a U here. Let me try to generate it. Look, this is U star. Or you want, for example, to generate something like this. Backslash overset backslash star plus, and here you want to put V. Let me generate it. Look, something like this. This is all. There is nothing more. And if you want to generate a formula, for example, you want to appear star under U. Let me try to show you. Backslash. Okay, so we have overset. We expect that we should have underset. Okay, exactly like before. Let me put a sum here. Let me put something, for example, backslash asterisk backslash asterisk and backslash sum. Look at the output. Backslash under brace. I have some mistake here. Regenerate it. And now you can see something like this. Okay? Now, let me try to do something special. For example, you want to generate limit x to infinity f of x equal to, for example, 1. You can see that output is like this. Now, let me put a word, for example, hospital, above the equality. If I want to do something like this, I can write backslash overset. Okay, I want to write hop backslash math. RM a hope here. Okay, and then for the second part I can write the limit Sorry, here I have to remove this one, hope. Okay, hope will appear here, and then equal here, and then I have to put limit f of x here, and at the end I should put 1. Let me check the output. I have something like this, but I think this is not good because HOP is a little greater than equality sign. Okay, I want this equality be a little bigger. Now, the first solution that we can use, you can put 2 equal, in fact, side by side. But this is not true because there is a free space between 2 equality sign, and this is not good. Okay, so if you want to solve this problem, you can use equal, and then you can use join rel, and then another equality sign. Now, if you compile the code, you can see that something like this will generate. And this is okay, and this is good. So, you have learned 3 commands in this lecture: overset, underset, and join rel. These 3, in fact, commands can help you to generate some notation like this. Please subscribe my channel and wait for the next lectures.